Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. And today we're going to show you on how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Messenger application on your device, and of course you'll have to log in to your account. Okay, as you can see this little icon here, the locked icon, it means that this conversation is end-to-end encrypted. So you will then just have to click on this conversation. So before we are going to delete this conversation, first and foremost, we'll have to go to our settings. So just click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. So you could be able to see the gear icon or the settings and then click on it. So when you scroll down in here, you'll be able to see here the option where you can see the secret conversation. But because of the new feature of the messenger, you will not be able to see it here anymore. So just click on the conversation and click on the learn more in order for you to know more about end-to-end encryption and your privacy. So after that, you will then just have to click on OK. So finally, in order to disable this feature, we have to delete this conversation and start another conversation with the specific person. So just hold and press the conversation and click on delete. But if you want to have another end-to-end encrypted conversation with this person, just click on this one at the top right corner of your screen. And then you have to scroll down in order to see this option, the go to secret conversation, and then just click on it. So as you can see, here is another end-to-end encrypted conversation with a specific person. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.